Several employees of the Fusion call center in downtown Kingston were hospitalized with respiratory issues. Kirk Wright tells us why.
This cell phone video shows employees moving one of their colleagues to a vehicle who they whisked to the hospital. We understand several employees were transported there, some more serious than others.
Yes, 6 people have been affected, and we are very quite palpably affected by that. We value our employees, and they're currently at the KPH being treated. A few of them were released to have been admitted, and we're monitoring that to make sure that they're fine. In any case, we also will cover their medical expenses if it goes there, and anything that they need, we'll provide that.
One of the affected employees recounted that while working, a strange scent permeated the air.
The only thing I know that my chest started tight up, and then I fainted, and they had to rush me over to public. When I went there, the chest, they did so much to find out what was wrong because I was wheezing. I don't struggle with asthma. Also, they were trying to do an IV access, so I'm not sure what exactly we're going to do with the IV access. After we sent me around to triage, and they did the same thing, repeat the whole process. They said that they were going to do an x-ray or support, but they did not, because once they came back and checked to see if my lungs was clear, they said everything was okay, that what we inhaled passed out.
The employees exited the building and the fire department was called in. The hazardous team swept the building as they tried to find the source of the pungent scent which led to the employees fainting. It's suspected that it may have come from the chemicals being used to install fresh carpets on the floor. We spoke with the call center's talent manager.
We are not sure entirely as to what took place. We're assuming it was the fumes from the carpets. We don't know. Now, I must tell you, Mr. Wright, that we have always installed carpets. I mean, we're always consistently doing upgrades to the facility, and ultimately, this has never happened before. So the fact that this is happening now, it has come as a very big surprise to us.
The firefighters left without being able to make a final determination on the origin of the scent, but gave strict instructions that no one should enter the building until further checks were made. A source at the facility says the building, which houses the call center, leaks heavily when it rains, which results in mold and soaked carpets, which often causes a foul scent. Kirk Wright, TVJ News.